Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Kid. Today we are going to see about the topic the nervous, skeletal, muscular and excretory system. And this video is the final video of the surprise treats session. Okay, so let us get into the video. First, let us see about the nervous system. The nervous system is a highly complex part of an animal and human that coordinates its actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of its body. The nervous system detects environmental changes that impact the human body, then works in tandem with the endocrine system to respond to such events. I think many people don't know this endocrine system. The kids don't know about the endocrine system. We'll have a video about the endocrine system, don't worry. Nervous tissue first arose in worm-like organisms about 550 to 600 million years ago. In vertebrates, it consists of two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The CNS, that is the central nervous system, consists of the brain and spinal cord. The PNS, that is the peripheral nervous system, consists mainly of nerves, which are enclosed bundles of the long fibers or axons that connect the CNS to every other part of the body. Nerves that transmit signals from the brain are called transmit information from the body to the CNS are called sensory or afferent. Before we get into more detail, let us see the parts of the nervous system. The parts of the nervous system are the brain, spinal cord and the nerves are the parts of the nervous system. Spinal nerves serve both functions and are called mixed nerves. The PNS is divided into three separate subsystems, the somatic, autonomic and enteric nervous systems. Somatic nerves may mediate voluntary movement. The autonomic nervous system is further subdivided into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system is activated in cases of emergencies to mobilize energy, while the parasympathetic nervous system is activated when organisms are in a relaxed state. The enteric nervous system functions to control the gastrointestinal system. Both autonomic and enteric nervous systems function involuntarily. Nerves that exit from the cranium are called cranial nerves, while those exiting from the spinal cord are called the spinal nerves. Now let us see about the skeletal system. Before we see about the skeletal system, let us see the parts of the skeletal system. The parts means those bones, right? I'll tell the bones names. It's a huge list. Cranium, clavicle, scapula, sternum, ribs, humerus, vertebrae, ulna, radius, carpals, femur, tibia, fibula are the parts of the skeletal system, that's the bones. Now let us see about the skeletal system. I actually feel interesting about the skeletal system, right? I don't know how you feel. Now let us see what is the main function of the skeletal system. The skeletal system is the body system composed of bones and cartilage and performs the following critical functions for the human body: supports the body, facilitates movement, protects internal organs. Now let us see what are the four main parts. We saw the parts, we will see about the four main parts. The four main parts of the skeletal system are the cranium that protects the brain, that's a part of the skull, the cranium, the ribs, the sternum. These three protect the most of the internal organs, and even the pelvis, girdle. These four parts, these are the four main parts of the skeletal system. Now let us see what are the three types of skeleton. Hydrostatic skeleton, exoskeleton and endoskeleton are the three types of skeleton. Now let us see why skeletal system is important. The skeletal system serves many important functions. It provides the shape and form for the body. Support and protection also allows bodily movement, produces blood for the body and stores minerals. The human skeleton is composed of both fused and individual bones supported by ligaments, tendons, muscles and cartilage. Now let us see about the muscular system. Before we see about the muscular system, let us see the parts of the muscular system. That is the muscles. Masseter, deltoid, pectoralis major, biceps, triceps, brachioradialis, rectus abdominis, external oblique, sartorius, vastus laterals, rectus femoris, sartorius, vastus medialis, gastrocnemius and tibialis anterior are the muscles and the parts of the muscular system. Now let us see about the muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulates blood throughout the body. The muscular systems in vertebrates are controlled through the nervous system, although some muscles such as cardiac muscle can be completely autonomous. Together with the skeletal system, it forms the musculoskeletal system, which is responsible for movement of the human body. That is the muscular system plus the skeletal system. Now let us see, there are three distinct types, I forgot to tell them. Those distinct types of muscles are the skeletal muscles, the cardiac or heart muscles. Cardiac means heart. Cardiac or heart muscles and smooth muscles. Now let us see a definition of muscle. Muscles provide strength, balance, posture, movement and heat for the body to keep warm. Now let us see the parts of the excretory system before we see about the excretory system. The parts of the excretory system is the aorta, vena cava, renal artery, renal vein, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra are the parts of the excretory system. Now let us see about the excretory system. The excretory system is a passive biological system that removes excess unnecessary materials from the body fluids of an organism so as to help maintain internal chemical homeostasis and prevent damage to the body. The dual function of excretory systems is the elimination of the waste products of metabolism and drain the body of used up and broken down components in a liquid and gaseous state. In humans and other amniotes, mammals, birds and reptiles, most of these substances leave the body as urine and to some degree exhalation. Mammals also expel them through sweating. Only the organs specifically used for the excretion are considered a part of the excretory system. In the narrow sense, the term referred to the urinary system. However, as excretion involves several functions that are only superficially related It is not usually used in more formal classifications of anatomy or function, as most healthy functioning organs produce metabolic and other wastes. The entire organism depends on the function of the system. Breaking down of one or more of the systems is a serious health condition. For example, kidney failure. If you don't want kidney failure, please do drink so much of water. Okay? So we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can even comment your doubts below. I will surely reply to it. Have a nice day, a great tomorrow, and bye.